This is joining and merging two objects together. Start out with a really simple one insofar as we'll have two identical cylinders and just prove that they can be bridged. So do a Shift A, and a cylinder is what we will add, and this cylinder has where's the properties, Shift A, cylinder, and this has, say, the standard 32 faces, and I will do the same thing with another cylinder. In fact, we'll do a shift, move that one up, do a Shift D to delete, oops, Shift D and a Z to duplicate, not delete. Why did I say that? I have no idea. So there, looking on the right, we have two, one, two, we seem to have a duplicate there. Yeah, okay, delete that. Okay, now we've got one, two cylinders. Okay, before I join, because it seems to create questions, let's say, with actually joining the two in a physical, meaningful way, I'm going to delete these faces. So we go into edit mode, face select, delete that face, and tab back into object mode, select this one, tab back into edit, select this face, press the delete button, and faces as well there. Okay, and now go back into object mode, select this, shift, select this, control and J, and those two are now one object, cylinder 002. And now I want to join them together, or rather I want to fill the gap in between them, maybe more exactly. And to do that, I have to go into edit mode and go onto the edge select, highlight those edges, and there's no shortcut button, I think. So bridge edge loops, and that's interesting. I was not expecting that. Okay, that's really interesting. Control Z that. Why did that happen? Okay. I'm in edit mode. I do not know why that happened. Okay. Let's try a snap. So go over here and we'll move it, let's say, over there a bit. What's this doing? I don't know, it's on an edge maybe. Nope, didn't want that. I want the object down full. Tab, object mode. Oh, it's the whole thing, isn't it? Full. Let's have a think then. Let's do a P. Does that work? No. Go into edit mode and select. No, it's going to work, is it? Tab, P. Right click. No. Let's go into edit mode and do that kind of thing, and P by loose parts. Let's separate them out into, they're now two things again. Okay, so what the hell went wrong with that? And it's not necessarily go wrong, but it's definitely different. Okay, why did it do that? Did I spin it around such that in trying to be intelligent it made a mess of it? Maybe I can do a vertex match. Let's see if that works. So if I go into, I'm going to go into wireframe. I'm going to go to edit mode. Let me do that, and vertex select, see what happens. No. Oh no, I've got to join them back again. Yeah, okay. Shift, Control J gives us a join. It's fine. Back to a single item again. Now go into that mode. Vertex selected within edit mode, and this time do a right click and a, no you can't, you cannot join. You can't join it, it's got to be a loop evidently. So we're going to go like that, and we'll do a right click and a bridge edge loops. That's better. Do not know what's going on first time round. Okay, that's fine. So that's the that's the easy one. Next thing is to understand what happens when we have a fairly large difference between the number of edges making up the circle here and the number of edges on a different object. So, well, different half of the same object. So again, start out with cylinder, move it up. Won't do a duplicate this time. Do a shift A, mesh, cylinder. I'm going to call this 23 vertices. Okay, then go into object mode. At the moment we've got two cylinders. Object mode, select that, shift and select that, control J, watch right hand side, got a single cylinder now. That's good. Next thing is to Z and solid, go into edit mode and go onto face select, to press the delete button, delete faces. Down here, press the delete button, delete faces. Now, so we're in single object. I forgot what I was trying to. Yes, they got different numbers of faces making up their respective circles. So this one should be alright. It's going to edit mode, go on to edge select, select that lot, which should result in them all being selected. Do a right click and do a bridge edge loops, and that is pretty damn weird. It may be that I didn't catch all of the, yeah, maybe I didn't catch all of the loops. Just try control plus. It's too much, isn't it? Yeah, okay, just need to be more careful. That, and then select that and then pan up. If I can, I can't. Come on, pan up, yeah. Then, so should all of them be selected now. So now I can say right click, bridge edge loops. That's more like it. It's a little bit interesting mathematically. Maybe that is indeed the only way you can do it. Okay, so it's a little bit funny. I won't say you got 2, 3 there, 2 there, 2 there, 3 there, 2 there. Okay, it's quite interesting. Anyway, that's good enough for that one.